Yo, my neighbors are gonna hate me after today. Ladies and gentlemen, inside this box over here, we have the My Neighbors Hate Me 3000. My neighbors have gotten peace and quiet for too long. It's finally the day, boys. We are finally gonna make the STI louder. Today's the day. It's the day. Today is finally the day we are installing my all-time favorite exhaust onto the STI. We have got the exhaust right in this box over here. Some of you may have seen it, but for those of you who haven't seen it, just go ahead and guess what my favorite exhaust could possibly be. Just go ahead, take a wild guess. What could my favorite exhaust possibly be? If you are thinking gritty, you're correct. We are installing a Tomei, boys. Go ahead, take her out of the box.
Oh, baby.
Now we already unboxed this in a different video. Amanda made a mess with all the packing peanuts and they're pretty much all gone now.
Oh, my favorite part.
The packing peanuts?
Yeah.
They're like all gone now. We're out of them. There's like nothing left. Ooh, unboxer. Oh, there she is, boys. We got a Tomei. Now currently the STI is sitting on a Grimspeed Catback. This thing is way too quiet. It is not loud enough for me, so we got the Tomei to fix that problem. And then we also got a stupid looking tow hitch, which I don't really know what you need that for, because what could you possibly tow with this thing? We're gonna be removing the tow hitch as well as putting on the new beautiful Tomei. And then we also have a new front bumper for the car. This thing looks freaking sick. It's not paint matched though, but that's all right because new color coming soon. New Jersey got hit with a snowstorm, so there's just salt and snow all over the place. It's sad to know this Tomei is only gonna look beautiful right now. Take a good look at her, boys, because this is the last time it's gonna be looking this beautiful. We had a Tomei on the BRZ. We had a Tomei on the GTR. And now we are going to have a Tomei on the STI. You wanna start it up real quick just to show the boys what it sounds like right now? This thing basically sounds stock. Yeah, she's a little too quiet there, bud. That's garbage.
Garbage.
Garbage. That is never ever going back on this car. Ever. Ever.
Garbage.
It's so crusty. Look, wait, hold on. Take a look at this, right? Here's the old mid pipe, and then here is the new one. Look at that, dude. Oh, is that an upgrade or what? Like for
Totally.
Like that's insane.
You know what? I think this one's a little bit better.
You know what's sad?
I'm just kidding.
You know what's really sad though? Like because of the snowstorm, this is gonna look like this soon.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's a little unfortunate, not gonna lie, but it is what it is. This exhaust cannot wait any longer. I've had this exhaust sitting for like a month now, and I'm like growing impatient in me. Like I hate driving this car. Like I hate driving it without it being loud. Subarus need to be loud. End of story. Oh, this is so crusty.
Things you have to do to get a tow hitch off.
This thing is finally off, and oh my god, you guys can see how disgusting and just filthy this is. Everything that was on here is all now in my mouth, in my hair, in my ears, and everything. Like I tasted this car. I've never gotten so much dirt and debris just in my mouth. It was disgusting, and it's all in my hair and it's all in my face. At least we got the tow hitch out. It's not gonna look so bunk. Now it's time to actually throw on the exhaust, throw on the bumper, and then take her out for a little ripperoonie. Amanda wants to yoink it, so here, go ahead.
Garbage.
Now who's gonna go get that? It ain't gonna be me. It ain't gonna be me. I'm not getting it. I gotta put this exhaust on. That looks good.
Is that a tomato?
Okay. Hanger's tight on there. Yo, that looks so sick. Like it's dirty, but like it looks so good. Let me tell you boys, this thing looks ridiculous and I love it. It finally doesn't look like a dad's like station wagon anymore. Before with the tow hitch, it totally gave off like station wagon vibes. The STI is finally starting to look like an actual sports wagon, and this exhaust just looks so ridiculous. I love it. I freaking love it.
Did they cut out for the hitch on the diffuser?
I think they did, but I'm cutting out the whole diffuser. Yeah, they definitely did cut out for a hitch, but we're deleting the whole diffuser, so it doesn't even matter. But that, ooh, that looks so freaking fire. Just take a good gander at it. Look at that. That's sick. Thoughts on how it looks? What do you think about how it looks?
Sick.
It looks sick. You like it?
Makes me want to get an STI.
Really?
No.
You can't really see her car right now because it's buried under snow, but Amanda's 350 already has a Tomei. But now I have officially joined the Tomei gang once again. Rejoined the Tomei gang once again. All right, so I know we just got the Tomei on and we all want to hear it, but we're gonna have to wait on that for just a second because we have to throw on the new front bumper. I took the old bumper off the STI already. The front bumper was the pre-facelift front bumper. This is the 2011 up bumper, I believe. So this is with the facelift. Bumper is just a little bit more aggressive and it looks freaking fire. It's just not paint matched, so it looks kind of a little bunk, and we got mismatched colors everywhere on the bumper, so it looks a little wonky right now, but this bumper is a little bit more aggressive and it's gonna look fire on the car. Time to look at what it really looks like. I'm actually excited. Oh my God. So much better.
Way
Instantly,
better.
10 times better. Is she looking a little mismatched colored and stuff? You know, it does look a little like wonky, but she looking a little spicy. Like she getting there. She getting spicy.
It's the process.
It's the process. It's the process. The garage doesn't really do it justice. Let's go ahead and take this out for a little rip. Hear the exhaust and see the bumper out in daylight. What do you think? Should we do it?
I think so.
Let's do it. Wait, oh, let me start the car.
What the?
I was joking around before about my neighbors, but now I'm actually kind of scared because this is still catted. This isn't catless. I still have a catless downpipe sitting back in that pile somewhere, so this car's gonna get even louder soon. So like, I'm sorry neighbors. What the fuck? Oh my God! That sounds so good, but all right, so here's the deal, boys. If you guys have been around for a while, you guys know that the Tomei is my all-time favorite exhaust, and we have just installed it on the STI. I've had it on all my cars. We just got it on this current car, and I couldn't be happier. And of course, the only thing I want to do is go out. I just want to go out, rip it, and just beat on it. I want to hear the exhaust. I know you guys probably want to hear the exhaust too. I know for a fact Amanda wants to hear the exhaust. But there is, however, a dilemma. Right now, at the moment, I am running on the Cobb off-the-shelf tunes, and you really shouldn't be driving the car. It's kind of a temporary tune. You shouldn't really be driving on it, much less rip on the car and beat on the car. So I think the more mature thing and the safe thing to do is to not rip on it today, wait till after I'm tuned, and right now I guess we'll just go home. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's a safe way.
That's the safe and mature way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
12 seconds later.
Oh my God, that's so sick. Oh shit. Guys, I'm out here by myself and it sounds so sick in my opinion. Maybe I want a Subi now. Who knows?
So much fun!
Oh my God.
That was so much fun. Like, so much more fun than it usually is. Like, bro, like, guys, I'm telling you, if you don't have a loud exhaust for your car, go ahead, just go get a loud exhaust.
Oh my God.
That was so much fun. I've done pulls before with the quiet exhaust. Wasn't as fun. Did pulls with this exhaust, so much more fun. It's insane.
Oh my God, it was so loud.
Was it? Wait,
I mean, it wasn't loud, but it could go louder. It sounded so great.
I felt so bad. I just beat the crap out of the car just for that.
Whatever, it was fun.
That was a little fun. Do the numbers look good? Yes, they do. We're all right. That was
cold.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's all right.
Let me tell you, that was some fun. That was some fun. Let's go actually go somewhere and just so I can like rev it out and just like actually hear it. Words cannot express how happy I am with this exhaust because this thing sounds insane. Just listen to that idle. The sound is so crazy because it's insanely deep. We got rumbles for days now, boys. And this is the first look I'm even getting at the front bumper. It looks a ton better. Now trust me, boys, I already know it's a little funky because it's all like mismatched colors and you guys are just like, what the heck? It's gray over there, black over here, and then white over here. But on top of that, we don't even have the Subi badge. I know it's a little weird right now, but we'll get all that taken care of. I think this is the first big aesthetic mod that we've done to the car. I told you, boys, we got parts coming for this thing, so the front bumper was the first thing I wanted to do right away. I'm really hyped that the car is starting to come together. It's actually funny because the car's coming together, but also it's starting to look like it's coming apart because everything's getting like mismatched and stuff. It's just a part of the process, and I've learned to enjoy the process. I'm a little weird, guys. I don't know. I kind of like the process of like seeing mismatched parts and mismatched colors on a car because it's the middle phase. I kind of like the middle phase of cars. Like, it's not done. It's nowhere close to done, but I kind of like how everything is like mismatched colors because it looks like a genuine project. Am I the only one that likes that, or are there other weirdos out there like me? Now, don't get it twisted. Obviously, I love a finished project car. I love when cars come together and they look really nice, but I have learned to enjoy the process while I'm doing everything. So just expect a lot more mismatched parts and colors that don't match on the car very soon because we do have a lot of things coming for this car, but I'm really hyped with the progress we're making so far. Wait, what? I got it dirty already. No. Oh man. Babe, the exhaust is dirty already. It's filthy.
Oh,
it's
man.
filthy.
We'll clean it.
Huh? It's so bad. No, it's like, it's bad.
Let me see.
I told you that was the cleanest it was ever gonna be. I'm kind of
salt.
Huh?
It's just salt.
Yeah, it's salt and northeast grime. Now, of course, since we installed the Tomei, I want to give you guys just some sound clips of the car because it sounds amazing. But this is my favorite spot to come shoot, and I don't want to rev and piss any of the people that work inside off, so let's not ruin this spot. Let's go somewhere else and ruin a random spot, not this one. Rev the car, but like, I want to hear it. Can you rev it for me? Wait, babe. Do not hit red line, okay? Go to like 5 and then let it go. Or 5 or 4,500. Don't keep redlining it. Yo, that sounds crazy! Oh my god! That sounds so good. That sounds so crazy. That's my car. Like, that is my car. Holy crap, I'm so excited. Outside of the car, you hear it so much more.
I know, that's what I said.
You don't hear it that much when you're inside of the car. It's crazy. Like, the sound ending on this car must be amazing because, like, wow. That is insane.
Dude, it blew my ear out, so.
Yo, I freaking love this car now. I love her. That sounds so good. That just made my whole week. If you guys want a nice sounding exhaust for your car, you guys already know where to go. You guys already know what to get. Tell them what to get.
Get yourself a Tomei.
Get yourself a Tomei, boys.
That's it.
The shenanigans for the day are coming to an end right over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today went by kind of quick, I'm not gonna lie. It sucks. The sun's going down already. I'm tired of winter. I'm over winter. I'm ready for spring. I want longer days. I want longer days with the car. This is where we are ending off the video. Definitely stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Oh my God. I knocked.
Really?
I'm knocking.
Really?
No.